Hi, I'm going to show you how to split strings in Excel using functions. Okay, let's go to Excel. Okay, my objective is I am here to show you how to split the first name and last name here. Alan Sam is the full name. I'm going to split it into first name, which is Alan, and the last name, which is Sam. How to identify this? Because it is separated by a space in between. Okay, it could be comma also, but for this example I use it as use space. Okay, my objective is to split Alan Sam into Alan in separate cell, which is C, and the last name in D, Sam. For that I'm going to find out first where is the space. Okay, how to find it? Use find function. What to find, which is space. Where to find, within what text, the full name, which is an A1, and starting number from which character onwards you want to find it. I want to find it from the first character, so I just close it, which is optional. So sixth character is the space. So how do I split Alan, the first name, from the full name? I take the function left A1 from which character? From the first character up to what is the length? Length is nothing but number of character which from the because it's the left function, it will automatically take it from the first character from the left. We need to give only the length, number of characters you want from left hand side. Sixth character is the space, so I want up to 5 characters, which is B1 minus 1. Okay, we got the first name. Now we go, let's see the last name. For that I use the mid function. Text is the A1, starting from where you want to do the splitting. Sixth character is the space, so I want it from 7th characters, which is B1 plus 1, how many characters you want to do it. You need to calculate what is the length and minus the space, then you will get the length. But instead we can simply put a length of, for the safer side, length of A1. See, Alan is the first name, Sam is the last name. Okay, we will see the next one. Victoria Robert. What happens? Victoria is the first name, Robert is the last name. This is the way you can split cells, split strings in Excel cells. Okay, thank you.